don't want to eat them ever again.
Oh, do you think, so what will you eat instead?
I will eat whatever there's on the table, but not chicken or meat.
Why do you think you don't want to do that?
Because they're animals and I like animals.
So what will we do if we miss eating chicken and meat?
I don't miss eating chicken and meat.
How about fish?
Fish?
Yeah.
Fish? Is it an animal?
Yeah.
I won't eat that either.
Oh my God, so what?
I won't eat animals!
Okay. So what do you want to eat? What kind of food do you want to eat?
Anything's on the table but not animals.
Why do you feel sorry for animals?
Because they're nice and I know that we cook them sometimes, which is not very nice, and I know we like to eat animals that we cook, but that's not nice for them.
Yeah, do you think they suffer?
I think that they don't really like being cooked in the oven.
Please help me to share this adorable girl's beautiful message. It is so pure, and I feel like it reminds all of us of when we first found out really what it is we were eating. I think that's the appropriate reaction. It's just shock and sadness. Now, whether you eat meat or you don't eat meat, I realize most people watching this eat meat. I think you can still share this video, but as long as if you're a meat eater, as long as I think you have a moral responsibility to at least know what you're doing, understand the meat you're eating, how it comes to your table, what the animals go through, where you're sourcing your meat. And as long as you understand all that, if you're making the moral calculation to eat it, that's fine. I guess I really just have the trouble with the people who it's just out of sight, out of mind. They don't even want to acknowledge what they're doing and what they're eating. And yeah, for those of you who are vegetarians and vegans, I think you will really appreciate what this girl has to say. And I think her message might reach people in a way that other messages from older people don't, just because it's so pure. And for that reason, I hope you will help me to share this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.